This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 3. So the question states, suppose you want to move from 0 to 100 on a number line. So we have a number line like this and we are at point 0 and we want to move till 100. In each step, you either move right by a unit distance or you take a shortcut. So if we are at x, then our next choice is either to go x plus 1 or take a shortcut. A shortcut is simply a pre-specified pair of integers I, j given a shortcut ij. If you are at position I on the number line, you can directly move to j. So if x is our I, if x is analogous to I, then we can move to a point j. Suppose tk denotes the smallest number of steps required to move from k to 100. Now if we want to go from, let us suppose we wanted to go from x to 100. Our main aim was x to 100. Now we came x to x plus 1. So now how many steps are required? So from here we require t x plus 1 more steps. And from here we require tj steps. And here we have taken one step. So what we can do? We can write tx equals to how many steps are required from x? One step you have taken, and then either you go from x plus 1 or you go from j, which is min of tj or tx plus 1. Okay. Same is written over here. Suppose further there is at most one more shortcut involving any number. From any point, at most one shortcut can be there. Let us suppose we are at y. Then from y, either there is a shortcut or there is no shortcut. If there is no shortcut, there is no choice. Go to next move. But if there is a shortcut, there is only one shortcut, not more than one. And in particular, from 9, there is a shortcut to 15. Which means from 9, either we can make the general step and come to 10, or we can make a shortcut and come to 15. Let y and z be the integers. Then what is t9? See, t9. From 9 what we have? Either we can go to 10, take one step, and either go to 10 and find the number of steps to go from 10 to 100. Or either take one step, this one, and come to 15 and find the number of steps to go from 15 to 100. The min of both these will be our answer. 1 plus min of ty and tz. So this x 10 is basically called y and 15 is basically called z. So the product of y z is, so y is 10, z is 15, so 15 into 10 is 150. So answer to this question is 150.